Hi, today I have JBL Flip 2. I am going to restore the cosmetic condition of the speaker. You can see how it looks. Just getting closer. I am going to make this as good as new. So let's start disassembling. So I am going to use this tool. So much of dust accomplished in this. You can see, and I will show you the grill now. I will get closer. The paint is gone all over, rust is there, and this flip cover full of dust. So I am going to restore this and make it as good as new. Let's start restoring. First I will keep all these things aside. Now I will remove the logo, this JBL logo, using this needle. I have removed the logo. I will keep here. Now I will apply Zoric and I will use sandpaper to clean this rough surface. Now I will use emery to clean this hard surface. This is enough. Now I will remove this dust which is occupied inside this small tiny holes. There are dust inside this. I am going to use toothbrush so that these small particles will come out. Alright, now all small particles has been removed. Now I will clean this using shampoo and water. I have washed it using water and shampoo and I made it dry. Now it's time to spray this off. Let's spray the grill. I will make this setup for spraying. Done. Now let us spray. I am going to use this aerosol spray. Posny, same blue color. This is glossy blue, number 21. So let's start spray. Shake the bottle before spraying. Now let's spray. Very mild coat we have to apply. We have to apply 2-3 coats, very thin layers of paint. Now I am going to apply the second coat, very thin layer. Now let us wait for some time, 2-3 minutes. Now the blue color painting is finished. I have applied almost 3 coats and it is dried also. You can see it is perfectly finished. Now I am going to use this lacquer from Bosny. Flat clear, flat is matte, clear is transparent, that is called lacquer. Now I am going to apply only 1 coat for this. That's it. Now painting is finished. I will remove this off. Now I am going to clean this logo, applying few little bit of Zurich. Done. It looks like new almost. I'll keep this aside. Now it's time for cleaning the speaker. It's full of dust. Now the speaker is cleaned. I will keep this aside. Now it's time to clean this flap. Now I am going to apply a little bit of isopropyl IP. Now this has become very good and clean. I will keep this aside as well. Now it's time to clean these two rubber pieces. Again applying the IP. See the difference. Yeah. Done. Now these two pieces is also ready. Now it's time to reassemble the speaker. Now I will apply the logo here. I'll fix it using this glue. While dismantling the speaker, I have broken this, so I am going to solder it again. Done. It looks now as good as brand new. I will show you in the close-up. Just see the finishing. Alright, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment in the below. Thanks for watching again. Bye.